Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a peacock in Madhubani art style, and we will learn on a big canvas of size 50 by 50 centimeter. But you can learn on a smaller paper, you can learn on a small canvas, anything. So we will need a ruler, compass. I have big one, but if you don't have, no problem. Sharpener. If you have protector, it's okay. Eraser, pencil, earbuds. Okay. Also, we'll need a glass of water to wash our brushes. We'll need old cloth to wipe our brushes, or you can use the tissue. On your canvas, you need, or on the paper also, you need some place for framing. So normally we leave 1.5 centimeter for. So this we will do on all the four sides. In Madhubani paintings, border is compulsory. Also remember that in Madhubani painting, we don't use glittering colors or glittering pen. So two lines you have to leave on all the four sides. First one is for framing, second one is for border design. Now on second one, just mark 1 centimeter gap. Madhubani, we don't use white paint. The background paper's color is taken as white. अपने पेपर या कैनवस का मिड पॉइंट ढूंढेंगे. ओके, आप कोई भी मेथड लगा लीजिए उसमें. मैं so this is my midpoint and I just want to draw the peacock in the center. Any big radius. If you don't have compass, don't worry. Take a full plate. Take a thali from your kitchen. Take a quarter plate if your canvas is small, and just draw a circle. In Madhubani, everything has to have double line. So I'm going to draw another circle here. I've drawn a peacock, but I'm going to tell you how to draw this. And here I'm going to mark a line. We will show the water here. Okay, so before I start anything else, what I'm going to do, I'll take white paint. I'm going to cover this. For base color, I'm using a little wider brush, flat brush, and then we will come to border side because it will take some time to dry. This is a sky blue color. This was my 1 centimeter. This is 2. Okay, this leaf will get over at 2. Then friends, I'm going to fill this royal blue color, but it's your wish which color you want to fill. We can fill anything and everything will have black outline. We are going to make same border on all the four sides. Here we are drawing a triangle. This is a very old design of Madhubani border. And then we'll draw outline on the red and blue both. There are many ways to draw fish. This is one of them. Please select the colors of your choice, whatever you want, according to your interior. Now, how do we draw the peacock? I'm just drawing the circles of various radius. It's up to you how many you want to draw. So I'll show you the shades. 1, 2, orange, then green, yellow, red, some more shades of light and dark green we can use. Okay, I have here with me this light green also, and this is another shade of blue. This is 000 number brush, and it is turquoise blue. When Ramchandji Sita ji got married, then Raja Janak asked the ladies of his kingdom to decorate whole Janakpuri. Now, what tools they had? They had only coal, they had natural dyes, colors from the plant leaves. So they used them, and they never had any brushes 10,000 years ago. So they used the sticks, stem, thread, all those things they use, and they use black color from the burnt wood and coal, and these were the things which were used as colors, and they used their imagination to draw the objects. Like you will find Madhubani tiger or lion very different from actual one. Just now I've drawn the fishes. They are so different. Turtle is so different. Okay, it was the imagination, and this art was passed from generation to generations. There was no written literature for this. So that is how the current generations know about the art. Then in 1930s, there was a very big earthquake. So in that earthquake, what happened? There was a Britisher. He saw the people dying and all. So he went inside the houses in present-day Bihar and Jharkhand, and he found that their walls and all were very beautifully decorated. So immediately he asked them that how come you all have this? They said this is our art and we are using it from generations. He was so impressed that he actually, that time those box type cameras were there, he took pictures, whatever he could collect, and he showed them to authorities in New Delhi. And he said, see, they are doing so much work and they know such a beautiful art form, why don't we promote it? And that is how this art came in the knowledge of outsiders. Otherwise, they were just the Bhitti Chitra. You know what is Bhitti Chitra? The painting done on the wall. So they were done on the wall, and then slowly they started doing on the paper. Came very late. They started doing on the wooden plank. Then after freedom, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was from Bihar. Dr. Sampurnanand was from Bihar. They all encouraged this art very much. And then they encourage artists to come to the Delhi. That time Pragati Maidan was not as big as today. They opened the centers in South India, in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and they encouraged the artists to come and take part from Bihar. And that is how this art was, like, it became popular. I'm using this aqua blue color to give the background on this part of canvas. And once it dries, then we will start doing the work. So this is a flat brush of 8 number. You can use any brush, no issues. Using the red color and making a 4-petaled flower. Then here, if you want, it's your choice. Okay, if you want, you can show slanting lines. It is called tirchi kachni. I hope you like my tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Dhanyavad. Namaste.